Namaste. So today I am talking about the dessert which I love to enjoy with my chai or coffee is my chocolate chip cookie. Chocolate chip cookie has been discovered in 1938 but ये वाला वर्जन मेरा वर्जन है जो हेल्दी वाला है, हाई फाइबर है, यूजिंग इट ओट्स एंड आटा. I'll introduce you the ingredients. I'm taking it butter, which is unsalted butter. I'm also taking it atta. Brown sugar. There are two sugars in this recipe. One is brown sugar, one is white sugar. We have milk, baking powder and baking soda. Little bit for raising agent. ये cookies को lighten करने में और rise करने में थोड़ा help करता है. और वी हैव अ मिल्क पाउडर और जैसा मैंने बताया था ओट. ऑब्वियसली इट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ दिस रेसिपी ओट बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग टू बी हाई फाइबर. ऐसे तो मैंने 100 ग्राम चॉकलेट लिया है बट अगर आपको लगता है कि यू कैन टेक 200 ग्राम एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद बटर एंड शुगर. वी टेक शुगर. जो मैंने लिया है ये ब्रेकफास्ट शुगर है और एज ए सेड हेल्दी चाहिए तो ऑब्वियसली ब्राउन शुगर. और आपका कोई फेवरेट पाम शुगर और जैगरी है तो भी आप ट्राई कर सकते हो इस रेसिपी में. इन केस इफ़ यू थिंक दिस रेसिपी इज बटर इज़ हार्ड नाउ, इज़ नॉट सॉफ्ट, यू कैन यूज़ 30 सेकेंड माइक्रोवेव, इज़ ऑल्सो ओके. बहुत सिंपल रेसिपी है ये. जस्ट मिक्स करना है थोड़ी सी शुगर और बटर को. लिटिल बिट क्रीमिंग स्टेज इसको बोलते हैं. मेरे पास जो बटर क्यूब है स्लाइटली हार्ड है तो मैं what I'll do, I'll start mixing the dry ingredient and I'll keep it aside. So I'll begin with oat. I'm taking it whole oat seed. This is not the rolled one, this is whole oat seed. Then we have atta. We have baking powder and baking soda. और ये रहा मिल्क पाउडर. सबको कर लेते हैं अच्छी तरह से मिक्स. अगर लगता है आपके लिए स्पैचुला कंफर्टेबल नहीं है तो यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ बाई यूजिंग दिस विस्क एंड इट्स ईजियर टू डू इट. ऑल द ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स कैन बी मिक्स्ड हियर. I'll come back to the ingredients, I'll come back to the butter and sugar and now it looks little bit soft. ये जो बटर एंड शुगर है अगर आप इसको क्रीम ज़्यादा करेंगे तो कुकी फ्लैट ज़्यादा होगी और अगर क्रीमिंग कम करेंगे तो कुकी कम फ्लैट होगा. सो आई एम डूइंग इट जस्ट until the butter and sugar gets smooth. And so now we take milk. थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐड करेंगे, ज़्यादा नहीं. थोड़ा और भी ऐड कर देते हैं. एंड सो ये हमारा ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट का मिक्स है एंड वी कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट मिक्सिंग इट. As I said, this recipe is very simple. आप घर पे बना सकते हो. Whisk sometime becomes very difficult. So what I would advise today, there's a silicone spatula. It's made with the silicone. Or if you have anything, a mixer you can also use. But silicone is easy because what you can do, you can always use this for your cleaning and nothing gets stuck on the side. In my opinion, the best flour is not a cake flour and not the bread flour. In case if you're buying it very professional flour which is cake and bread, I would say mix it half and half. And if you have a regular all purpose flour, I think it's good to go for the cookie. At the same time, when you're mixing it, do not over mix because if you mix it for longer the gluten formation will eventually happen. So go slow, go आराम से and do it very simple. This is very simple recipe and nothing is complicated here. So मैंने आपको बताया chocolate chip but you can also use the variation from here. If you are a coffee lover and if you wanted to add a touch of coffee, absolutely fine. What you can do, take a milk from the same recipe and add some amount of coffee and it works fantastic. So you can make a chocolate chip and coffee cookies. So it's almost completed now and I'm not finishing it completely and I'm just adding chocolate as per the recipe. And as I said, you can always add dark chocolate, extra dark chocolate. So I have got the extra dark chocolate here, and so I'm just adding some more dark chocolate because I feel, the dark chocolate cookie or chocolate chip cookie with extra chocolate, a little bit cheating is always good. See the texture of the cookie with obviously added chocolate chip is such a nice. So here what you need to do now, don't try to over knead the dough, because once you start kneading the dough, the gluten formation will happen, and I just said gluten is not a good for cookie because you want to keep your cookie soft as it's required, and that's good enough. If you want, you can also rest your cookie now, or what I do generally, I just make a shape. I make a shape of 30 gram or 20 gram, and I just shape and I leave it for rest for maybe about 15 to 20 minutes, and I just bake it in the oven, and that's done. So let me show you how to shape, and then we will begin baking. You can always choose the size you need. For I think the 30 gram is a very good size to make it. So 30 gram is coming approx this, and I'm going for 30 grams. All the dough, in fact any of the dough you make, you always have a resting time. The reason for it, there's always a moisture in the dough, and once you rest the dough, all the flour molecules will absorb the water very well. So it gets enough resting time. So I would say definitely before you bake, give at least 1 hour rest in the chiller, will be absolutely good. So now the cookie is ready, and for baking what you need to do is you preheat your oven at 160 degrees centigrade. For that I have already a silicone paper or silicone mat. So I'm using it silicone mat, and take this cookie. Before you're chilling it, hold the cookie, and what you can always do, you can always add extra chocolate that comes on the top, and that's also the purpose of decoration. So just make it flat, because this cookie is not going to spread along. Slightly spread will be there, but not along. So you can always decorate with some 2-3 chocolate chip. Either you can just take here like this and then just press here. Make sure you give enough gap. जो हर कुकीज के बीच में जो गैप है थोड़ा सा बराबर रखो, because it shouldn't stick to each other. ये हो गई हमारी कुकी ready on tray. Now either you can chill for some time or अभी बेक कर दो. It's absolutely okay, no problem. Slightly texture will be different, but it's absolutely okay. बेक कर दो यार 160 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे. So 10-15 मिनट तो हो गए हैं. I'm sure कुकी बेक हो गई होगी. कुकी हो गई क्या बेक? ओके. ये लो जी, ये हो गई कुकी बेक्ड. 15 to 16 minutes we have baked, and that's good enough. What you see is a good color, and the best way to check is the bottom. Check the bottom. If you're baking it, make sure your bottom and top is even color. The best way to store this cookie is to keep it in cookie jar and then keep it airtight. तो ये हो गई हमारी कुकी रेडी नाउ, और यहाँ पे रह गई मेरी चाय, आफ्टरनून चाय. And now when you break this cookie and you see it together, oh, this is awesome. अब इसको एंजॉय करते हैं चाय के साथ. दिस इज़ अमेजिंग. तो ये रेसिपी इतनी बढ़िया है कि आप तो एक बार नहीं 3-4 बार बनाओगे ज़रूर. और अगर 3-4 बार एक बार भी बनाते हो तो अकेले अकेले मत खाना. शेयर विथ एवरीवन. आई थिंक शेयरिंग इज़ केयरिंग, एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली एंजॉय.